What if the one food doctors, athletes, and nutritionists all agree on has been sitting in your grocery store this entire time? Not a supplement, not a powder, not an expensive superfood from the other side of the world, but here's what nobody tells you. This fruit, the avocado, contains a combination of nutrients so rare and so powerful that scientists are still discovering new ways it protects the human body. And today, we are going to go through 10 scientifically proven benefits that will completely change the way you look at this fruit forever. Stay with me until the end, because benefit number 8, almost nobody talks about it. Welcome to Yudasaf Tips, the channel where we uncover the hidden power of fruits and vegetables and what they can truly do for your health. The avocado is one of the most unique fruits on the planet. Unlike almost every other fruit, it contains virtually no sugar. Instead, it is loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and an extraordinary range of vitamins and minerals. For years, people avoided it. They said it was too fatty, too caloric, too rich. But the science tells a completely different story. Let's break it down. Here are 10 benefits of avocado, backed by research. Benefit number 1, the avocado is a heart protection machine, and the evidence is overwhelming. Avocados are rich in oleic acid, the same monounsaturated fat found in olive oil. This fat has been shown in dozens of studies to reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while raising HDL cholesterol, the good kind. But here's what makes it even more impressive. Avocados also contain beta-sitosterol, a plant compound that actively blocks cholesterol absorption in the intestines. Every time you eat avocado, you are literally preventing cholesterol from entering your bloodstream. A study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that eating 1 avocado per day significantly reduced LDL particle numbers in overweight adults. 1 avocado, every single day. That is all it takes to start transforming your cardiovascular health. Benefit number 2, avocados are loaded with nutrients your body desperately needs. This is where people are genuinely shocked. 1 medium avocado contains vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin E, all in significant amounts, all from a single fruit. But here's what makes it even more remarkable. The potassium content of an avocado is actually higher than that of a banana. 1 avocado delivers about 975 milligrams of potassium, compared to 422 milligrams in a banana. Potassium is essential for blood pressure regulation, nerve function, and muscle contractions, and most people are chronically deficient in it. 1 avocado covers nearly 28% of your daily potassium needs. That is not a snack. That is a nutritional investment. Benefit number 3, avocados make every other vegetable more powerful. This one surprises everyone, and the science behind it is fascinating. Many of the most important nutrients in vegetables, like beta-carotene, lycopene, and lutein, are fat-soluble. This means your body cannot absorb them without fat. And here's what most people don't know. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that adding avocado or avocado oil to a salad increased the absorption of antioxidants from the vegetables by up to 15 times. 15 times. So every time you add avocado to your meal, you are not just eating one healthy food. You are unlocking the full nutritional power of everything else on your plate. Avocado does not just feed you, it amplifies your entire diet. Benefit number 4, avocados are a weapon against inflammation. Chronic inflammation is the silent driver behind almost every major disease. Heart disease, cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis. All of them are fueled by chronic low-grade inflammation in the body, and the avocado fights it on multiple fronts. The oleic acid in avocados has been shown to suppress the genes that trigger inflammatory responses. The vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals before they can cause cellular damage. But here's what makes it even more impressive. Avocados contain phytosterols and polyhydroxylated fatty alcohols, compounds that have demonstrated direct anti-inflammatory activity in scientific studies. A study published in Food and Function confirmed that avocado extract significantly reduced markers of inflammation in human cells. Less inflammation, less disease, more life. Benefit number 5. Avocados protect your eyes. This is one benefit that most people have never connected to avocados. Avocados are one of the richest food sources of lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that accumulate directly in the retina of your eye. These compounds act as a natural filter, protecting your eye tissue from harmful blue light and ultraviolet radiation. Research has shown that high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in the diet are associated with a significantly lower risk of macular degeneration and cataracts, the two leading causes of vision loss in older adults. But here's what makes it even more powerful. Because avocados are rich in healthy fats, the absorption of these eye-protective compounds is dramatically higher than from low-fat sources. You are not just eating for today, you are protecting your vision for the next 20 years. Benefit number 6. Avocados help you lose weight. This seems counterintuitive, a high-fat fruit, helping with weight loss. But the science is clear. The monounsaturated fats and fiber in avocados create a powerful satiety response. They slow digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and send strong fullness signals to your brain. A study published in Nutrition Journal found that people who added half an avocado to their lunch reported a 40% reduction in the desire to eat for the next 3 hours. 40%. And because avocados have virtually no sugar, they do not trigger the insulin spikes that cause fat storage and cravings. The result is a natural, sustainable reduction in overall calorie intake, without hunger, without deprivation. The avocado does not make you fat, it helps you stop overeating. Benefit number 7. Avocados feed your brain. Your brain is made up of nearly 60% fat, and the quality of fat you consume directly determines the quality of your brain function. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which support the integrity of brain cell membranes, improve nerve signal transmission, and protect neurons from oxidative damage. They also contain folate, which plays a critical role in preventing the buildup of homocysteine, a compound that disrupts blood flow to the brain and is linked to cognitive decline and depression. But here's what makes it even more remarkable. The vitamin K in avocados has been shown in research to improve memory and concentration. A study published in Nutritional Neuroscience found a direct link between vitamin K intake and better cognitive performance in older adults. One avocado, a sharper mind, every single day. Benefit number 8, and this is the one almost nobody talks about. Avocados protect your liver. Your liver is the most overworked organ in your body. It processes every toxin, every medication, every chemical you encounter, and it needs protection. A study published in the Archives of Medical Research found that avocado consumption significantly reduced liver damage in animal models, even in those exposed to powerful chemical toxins. But here's what makes it truly remarkable. Researchers identified specific bioactive compounds in avocados that appear to actively repair damaged liver tissue and reduce the accumulation of fat in liver cells. This is directly relevant to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which now affects more than 25% of the global population. Your liver works tirelessly to protect you. The avocado is one of the simplest ways to protect it back. Benefit number 9. Avocados fight cancer. This is where things get serious. Avocados contain a remarkable compound called avocatin B, a lipid found almost exclusively in this fruit. Research published in Cancer Research showed that avocatin B directly targets and destroys acute myeloid leukemia stem cells, while leaving healthy cells completely unharmed. The antioxidants in avocados, particularly glutathione, also protect DNA from oxidative damage. DNA damage is one of the primary triggers of cancer cell formation. But here's what makes it even more powerful. The folate in avocados plays a critical protective role against colon, cervical, and lung cancers by ensuring accurate DNA replication and repair. Science is still uncovering the full extent of the avocado's anti-cancer potential, but what we already know is extraordinary. Benefit number 10, avocados transform your skin from the inside out. Healthy skin is not just about what you put on it, it is about what you feed it. The monounsaturated fats in avocados maintain the lipid barrier of your skin, keeping moisture locked in and environmental damage locked out. This translates directly to softer, more elastic, more youthful-looking skin. The vitamin E in avocados is one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin health, protecting against UV damage and reducing the appearance of aging. But here's what most people don't realize. A study published in the Journal of the American Academy of Dermatology found that women who consumed higher amounts of healthy fats from sources like avocado had significantly more supple and springy skin, with visibly fewer signs of aging. You can spend hundreds on skincare products, or you can eat one avocado per day. The choice is obvious, so let's bring it all together. One avocado per day protects your heart, floods your body with essential nutrients, amplifies the power of your entire diet, fights chronic inflammation, shields your eyes, supports healthy weight, sharpens your brain, defends your liver, helps prevent cancer, and transforms your skin. 10 benefits, one fruit, available everywhere, affordable for most. The avocado is not a trend. It is not a fad. It is one of the most nutrient-dense foods that nature has ever produced, and all it requires is a decision to make it part of your daily life. Because now you know what is really inside that avocado. Can you afford not to eat one today? If this video gave you something valuable, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Yudasaf Tips, because every week, we uncover the hidden power of the foods you already have around you. See you in the next one.